Hello, what's up? Welcome back to Tech Artistry. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create an eye-catching thumbnail. Let's get started. I'm going to be using Canva, but you can really use any designing software. So let's get started. You want our file size to be, well, not our file size, like our design file. The size of our design file to be 1280 by 720 pixels. That's the size of a YouTube thumbnail. Now we want to start off by adding a background. I'm just gonna use dark red backgrounds because that red is actually the most eye-catching color. Also, by the way, a quick note, I'm going to be using the word eye-catching a lot throughout this video, so bear with me. So I have red right here, a red background, and we're just going to start off by adding some text. And not all thumbnails have text. If you have like a very minimalistic thumbnail, then it could really just be an image. A thumbnail could really be anything, but the most clickable thumbnails usually have text. So yeah. How to create and actually going to use a different font for eye-catching because, well, to make your thumbnail unique, the best way to do that is adding different fonts for different words. Now you don't want to overdo this, or else people are going to be like, "What's going on here?" But the word eye-catching is kind of like the main word here, so I'm going to use like a very flowy font, like Dreaming Out Loud script. I think I'm going to make it like a neon, and let's change the text color to like this light yellow, I think. Yeah, that looks good. And eye-catching. Let's size that down a bit. And I think that's good. You can play around with where you want to put your text. I usually put my text off to like the side. You want to make sure it's like within, like, you don't want to put it at the very edge. You want to make sure there's some margins, because that's where people will look first, and then they'll look around the sides. How to create an eye-catching, and I think I'm just going to use the Lovello line. The Lovello line font for the word thumbnail. Let's make that bold. Thumbnail. And let's make that white. Okay, great. I like to add sparkles to my thumbnails. One second, I'm just gonna, yeah. I like to add little sparkles to my thumbnails, like sparks and sparkles. I think it adds like kind of like motion to our still image. By the way, you can't really use like animation effects on your thumbnails. Like, even if you do, YouTube won't allow it, so you're gonna have to use like images and stuff like that. Anyways, I'm just gonna go to elements. Let's look up spark. I think this one here looks good. Let's size that down just a bit. And eye-catching. Let's make this, so that's not recolorable, so sadly we're gonna have to delete it. We gotta find a recolorable one. I think I'm gonna actually make that lighter. Yeah, that's good. And eye-catching thumbnail. Okay, great. I think I'm gonna add like maybe like some stars at the background, like a little wave like this. Yeah, let's just size that down a bit, and I think I'm gonna send this to the back. Okay, I'm gonna now get a YouTube like when you're watching the video, I don't know what it's called, like this, but not like on a mobile device. Yeah, like this. I like to add a little tilt to the elements. I think it just makes it like more clickable. I'm just gonna move this a bit this way. Like, I think it makes it more flowy. Yeah, that's the word I was looking for. And I think it's gonna be mouse pointer, and we're gonna use that. Let's take this, turn that around, and use it. It's like a little clicky. So there, I think we're basically done here. That was how to create an eye-catching thumbnail in under 10 minutes. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. See ya, bye.